So welcome to the Microschool workshop hosted by the Reform Alliance and the National Microschooling Center. We are so excited to be back in Arkansas, and we are so thankful and grateful for the partnership that we have with the Reform Alliance.
The National Microschooling Center is the nation's leading movement builder, resource hub, ecosystem builder for the most exciting education narrative in American education.
I taught public school for 21 years prior to starting a microschool, and I could just see the educational shift where kids were I felt like we're being left behind, especially kids with special needs.
Really, I just don't know where to get started, and I actually found this event quite by accident. It came up on my Facebook feed, but my husband and I had been talking about us starting a microschool.
So the questions that we're getting today at this microschooling workshop are everything from I am just starting to consider this to I've been open for a couple of years and here's what I'm dealing with. There is no one right way to do this. And here's a great opportunity for people to learn from each other from a variety of different models.
The industry, I guess, if you will, the movement is growing so rapidly that honestly I wasn't sure if the information that I was receiving online, if it was up to date or not. And so I thought, well, what better way to find out than to come to a workshop where I'm probably going to get the most up-to-date information.
And then how many are planning to open for the first time with this coming school year?
The microschool founders, leaders, pre-launch founders, everybody interested in microschooling here is really plugged into their community, and that's a critical piece of the equation.
For the kids that need that extra help, microschools are a wonderful option, and I want to be that resource to parents who may not know where else to turn with their kid.
These founders in Arkansas are so committed to knowing their communities and creating a solution for the families that they're serving.
Well, honestly, I have a lot of peace of mind now, feeling like, okay, I am heading in the right direction.
The Reform Alliance is so excited to host this microschool workshop with the National Microschooling Center out of Vegas. We had potential microschool founders, current microschool founders. We just wanted them to be able to network, learn new things, go over any rules and regulations that come with possibly using the Education Freedom Account funds, and just get to know what their options are out there, what they can do, and how they can serve their communities.